All right, this video is how to graph a function of the form f of x equals ax plus b. Notice this is really of the form y equals mx plus b. So a is my slope and b is my y-intercept. Okay, so this is a is my slope and b is my y-intercept. So this tells me my y-intercept is -4. And we can see when I put in 0 for x, I get -4. So we can start by graphing y is -4 when x is 0. That's my first point. Oh, and I grabbed this one. So you don't have to grab the pencil to start with. You can start with the line itself. And now we need to find another point on the line. So there are two ways that we can do that. We can use the fact that our slope is -2, which is -2/1, which means we are going to go down 2 and to the right 1. So we're going to start at this point and go down 2 and to the right 1. That's my second point. All right, we're going to do more. I'm going to show you another way to do this. Let me make this a little smaller. There we go. And now we will put it next to our Miro board. Find some blank space, right? All right. So this time, instead of doing what I did the first time, I'm going to put in an x value and a g of x value. And g of x is 2x minus 5. So you've also had practice creating these tables. So when x is 0, g of x is 2 times 0 minus 5, or 0 minus 5, or -5, which I expected, right? So this gives me the point, x is 0, y is -5. And then I can put in x is 1, and then I get 2 times 1 minus 5, which means that this gives me 2 minus 5, and that's -3. And so that goes through the point x is 1 and y is -3. I'm going to show you a couple of ways to graph this. Okay, so the first thing we can do to graph 0, -5 is grab the pencil and go to 0, -5. And then 1, -3. And we can grab the pencil and go to 1, -3. And then we can grab this and connect our 2 points. Okay, another way that we could graph this is we could start by knowing the fact that the y-intercept is -5. And then our slope is +2, which means we're going up 2 and to the right 1. So we go up, we start at this -5, 0, -5, right? And then we go up 2, 1, 2, and to the right 1, and there's our second point. So that's another way we can graph it. And notice it gives me the same answer, 0, -5, and 1, -3. Okay, and then the third way that we can graph it is by using this plot a point feature in Alex. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And our first point is 0, -5. And then we have to click plot point or it won't put it there. It shows us, but it didn't actually put it there. And then our second point is 1, -3. Okay. And then I can close out of this. Oh. Huh. Did I do wrong? Why I can't close out of it? Can't make this go away. That's so weird. There we go. I had to hit escape. Okay, and then again, I just connect them. So that's 3 different ways that you can plot on the graph and 3 different ways to, or 2 different ways to solve the problem. One by using the slope and the y-intercept, and the other one by creating a table of values.